Hey guys. Hope you all are doing great. Today, I have got something special for you. I will introduce you all with some of the best PHP crash courses available on YouTube. I will give all the links to these courses in the description box. Do check them out after watching this video. And remember, this is not a sponsored video, it's all our personal suggestion and opinion. We all know well how expensive are these courses on different platforms, so I have gone through a lot of stuff, and selected some of the best free YouTube courses on PHP after a good research. Are you excited? Because we are. Let's not delay and get started quickly. Yahoo Baba. Their playlist is ideal for who are just beginning, with a variety of topics like PHP, MySQL, PHP MySQL, PHP and Ajax, PHP REST API, PHP OOP, and many more. They also cover all web development latest techniques with solid examples. You can visit their official website www.yahoobaba.net. Code with Harry. This PHP tutorial starts with the basics and will teach you concepts till the very end. You will be taught how to create, manage, host and deploy your PHP websites to production. So check him out. Links are given in the description. Source code and other resources are hosted on his website, www.codewithharry.com. Now, last but not least, Tapa Technical. This channel is all about technical tips and tricks and designs and programming videos. If you want to learn PHP with fun and some basic general knowledge, you should definitely check him out. It will be easier if you have some basic knowledge of PHP. You can visit their official website, tapatechnical.com. Thanks for watching. That's all for now. Let's catch up in the next video. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and do share. And also, see the links given for keep you up to date.